Transform your spaces with lush, soft, and vibrant artificial grass walls that bring life and freshness to any area. Whether it's your home, office, or outdoor lounge, LushLoom makes every wall a statement. Why choose us? Premium quality, long-lasting artificial grass. Eco-friendly and maintenance-free solutions, expert craftsmanship and flawless installation, custom designs tailored to your space and style. With LushLoom, your walls don't just look beautiful, they feel luxurious too. By Trendy artificial grass wall decor. Bring the latest trends into your space. Buy our trendy artificial grass wall decor that fits any interior or exterior design. Perfect for living rooms, balconies, cafes, restaurants, and corporate spaces. Areas of our artificial grass wall. Our artificial grass walls are perfect for residential spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and balconies. Commercial spaces like offices, restaurants, and showrooms. Event setups and feature walls for stunning visual impact. Matter the area, we create walls that impress and last. Latest artificial wall grass collections. Discover our latest collection of artificial wall grass, vibrant greens with natural textures, modern patterns for a contemporary look. Custom shapes and sizes for unique wall designs. Stay ahead of trends with LushLoom's premium artificial wall solutions. Get our flawless wall artificial grass installation services in Dubai. Our expert team ensures flawless installation every time. We handle everything from consultation to final setup, so your wall is ready to impress immediately. Fast, clean, and professional, LushLoom delivers perfection. Outro. Transform your walls, transform your space. Contact LushLoom Dubai today and bring life, luxury, and style to your walls with our artificial grass designs.